Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we are going to discuss about National Youth Day. So every year National Youth Day is celebrated on January 12th, and it is also called the Yuva Divas. So the National Youth Day is celebrated to create awareness about the rights of people in India, and it educates people to behave properly in the country. And the theme for the National Youth Day for the year 2021 was Yuva Utsa Naya Bharat Ka. So, why is National Youth Day celebrated on January 12th particularly? See, it is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. Now, it is celebrated to propagate ideals and philosophy of Swami Vivekananda. So, let's discuss about Swami Vivekananda. See, Swami Vivekananda was born on January 12, 1863, and in 1881 he met Sri Ramakrishna at the Kali temple and became his disciple. And he introduced the principles of yoga and Vedanta to the Western world. And Swami Vivekananda represented India at the Parliament of the World Religion in 1893, which was held at Chicago. See, Swami Vivekananda's pre-monastic name was Narendranath Datta, and he was born in an upper-class Kayastha family of North Calcutta. And his father, Biswanath Datta, was a lawyer who had progressive views on social matters. See, his guru, Ramakrishna, was the one who made him realize about his potential, which he should not waste in marriage or domestic chores. So after Ramakrishna's death, he left the monastery and wandered the country. Hence, he became familiar with the people and identified their problems like poverty, disability, diseases, and most importantly, the ignorance and superstition by the people. Therefore, he asserted that the people of the country requires knowledge in secular as well as spiritual forms, and he held that religion must be used as a source of strength. He traveled to America to secure material support for India's social upliftment and was made an instant celebrity after his opening speech at the Parliament of Religions, where fellow delegates and American press was impressed by his knowledge of the Indian and the Western philosophy. His philosophy of Neo Vedanta increased the cultural strength of Hinduism by its reformation, which he interpreted will pave the way for nationalism. Now let's also discuss in a very summarized manner that what is the philosophy of Neo Vedanta. See, the philosophy of Vedanta upheld that God is real and the visible world is unreal. Therefore, the goal of individual is absorption of his soul in supreme soul, which is called the liberation, and that is possible through a true knowledge. So, the three principles of Vivekananda's Neo Vedanta philosophy are as follows. So, the first principle is that Vedanta philosophy believed in oneness of God and of man, leading to the solidarity of the universe. The second principle is that it upholds selfless action in the service of humanity, which should be treated as service of God. And the third principle is that it propagated the principles of universal tolerance and treated different religious faith as different parts to reach the ultimate goal of liberation. Therefore, Neo Vedanta upholds service, sacrifice, and freedom. Let's discuss some of the major works of Swami Vivekananda. So, firstly, it's the Karma Yoga that was published in 1896, which is a book of lectures by Swami Vivekananda. Secondly, Raj Yoga that was published in 1896, which is his interpretation of Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. And thirdly, the Vedanta philosophy. That is an address before the Graduate Philosophical Society that was published in 1897. And another important work of Swami Vivekananda is Practical Vedanta that was published in 1912, which is about how Vedanta can be made practical in our day-to-day life. So after discussing about almost the most important points about Swami Vivekananda, now let's discuss that how does India celebrate National Youth Day in his remembrance. So India organizes National Youth Festival to celebrate National Youth Day, and the National Youth Festival is organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and the National Youth Parliament is held as a part of the National Youth Festival. And this year in 2021, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is to address the National Youth Parliament, And the first National Youth Parliament was, the first National Youth Festival was celebrated in 1995, and the National Youth Festival is organized by the National Service Scheme every year. Now let's also discuss that when is International Youth Day celebrated. See, the International Youth Day is celebrated on August 12th, and the International Youth Day is celebrated by the United Nations and several other international organizations. And the first International Youth Day was celebrated in the year 2000. So the International Youth Day is celebrated to draw attention to a given set of cultural and legal issues surrounding the youth.